In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap ETH to SOL using your Phantom wallet. Let's start by diving right in. Go ahead and open your Phantom wallet and log in. Once you've successfully logged in, you should see your homepage. It's complete with a variety of options and tools designed to help you manage your crypto assets seamlessly. But don't worry, you won't need all of them today. Instead, let's focus on a particularly significant feature, the swap icon. This swap icon is essentially your gateway to converting cryptocurrencies effortlessly. Give it a click to begin the process. Once inside the swap section, the first thing you need to do is select ETH, that's Ethereum, as the cryptocurrency you'll be swapping out. Over on the other side, you'll select SOL, Solana, as the currency you're looking to receive. This selection is crucial as it ensures you are trading the correct currencies and getting the desired result from your transaction. After making those selections, all that's left to do is follow the series of prompts that will appear on your screen. Now, it's important to proceed with care here. Read each instruction carefully. These prompts are in place to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring the swap is executed both safely and efficiently. You might be asked to confirm certain aspects of the swap, such as the amount of ETH you want to exchange or to reassess any fees that might be involved in this transaction. A quick tip as you navigate these prompts: always double-check the wallet addresses, as entering an incorrect one could lead to your assets going to the wrong place. Understanding the current exchange rate between ETH and SOL can also be valuable to ensure you're making the most of your assets. Once you've completed all the prompts and confirmed everything looks good on your end, you should see a notification or confirmation that your swap is in progress. The beauty of blockchain transactions is that they're typically completed pretty quickly, but do allow a few moments for everything to update in your wallet. That's all it takes. By following these simple steps, you've effectively swapped your ETH for SOL, allowing you to participate in the Solana ecosystem or diversify your crypto portfolio. It's incredibly empowering to have the ability to manage asset swaps directly within your wallet, and it underscores the flexibility and simplicity that modern digital wallets like Phantom offer. Thanks for watching, and now you should be well equipped to navigate and execute swaps in your Phantom wallet. Happy trading, and as always, keep your investments secure and informed.